everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about virtual data rooms for M&A success stories. Virtual data rooms VDR are secure online repositories for storing and sharing confidential information. So let's start. Acme Corporation. Acme Corporation is a mid-sized manufacturing company that was considering selling itself to a larger competitor. Acme needed to conduct due diligence to ensure that it was getting a fair price and that the acquisition would be in the best interest for its shareholders. Acme decided to use a VDR to manage the due diligence process. The VDR allowed Acme to securely share confidential information with potential buyers such as financial statement, business plan, and product demos. XYZ Corporation. XYZ Corporation is a large technology company that was considering acquiring a smaller startup. XYZ needed to conduct due diligence to ensure that the startup was a good fit for its business and that the acquisition would be in the best interest of its shareholder. XYZ decided to use a VDR to manage the due diligence process. The VDR allowed XYZ to securely share confidential information with the startup such as financial statements, market research data, and product roadmaps. Benefits of using VDRs for M&A. Security. VDRs offer a number of security features to protect confidential information such as encryption, access control, and audit logging. This is essential for M&A as the information being shared is often highly sensitive. Efficiency. VDRs can help to streamline the M&A process by making it easy to share and manage confidential information. This can save time and money for both the buyer and the seller. Transparency. VDRs can help to improve transparency by providing all stockholders with easy access to the information they need. This can help to build trust between the buyer and the seller. Tips for using VDRs for M&A. Choose the right VDR provider. There are a number of VDR providers on the market. It is important to choose a provider that offers the features and security that you need. Organize your document carefully. Before you upload your documents to the VDR, take some time to organize them carefully. This will make it easier for users to find the information they need. Grant access to the right user. Only grant access to the VDR to the user who need it. This includes potential buyers, their advisor, and other relevant parties. Monitor user activity. Monitor user activity in the VDR to identify any suspicious activity. This will help you to protect your data from unauthorized access. Use the VDR features to your advantage. Most VDRs offer a variety of features that can help to streamline the M&A process and improve securely. Make sure to use these features to your advantage. Conclusion. VDRs can be a valuable tool for M&A. VDR can help to improve the security, efficiency, and transparency of the M&A process. If you are considering using a VDR for M&A, I encourage you to do your research and compare different providers to find the best solution for needs. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.